wow, what a beautiful day. The sun is out, the flowers are glowing, and the birds are probably chirping. Hey, look, there's one. Hey, get back here, Mr. Birdie. Get back here, Mr. Birdie. Look, he had gone. I'm gonna go in the car. Maybe he's in here. Mr. Birdie. Mr. Birdie. Birdie, where are you? What the? The car! Hey, Mr. Birdie, open up! Mr. Birdie, let me out! What did he close the door on me? I'm gonna be so hot. It's so hot in the car and it's so bright outside. I'm gonna die. No, don't you dare. I'm gonna go poop on the car.
Mr. Birdie, let me out now.
Well, too bad. Don't poop on the car. I thought we were friends. We were never friends. Please no. Oh, that was a good poop. On the car? The brand new car that doggy just bought? Huh? Oh no, they're gonna be so mad at me. Hey, let's get rid of the bird. But how will I get out of the car? I know. If I just drive the car into the garage, then after that the bird will be flying away. Then after that I just clean the car really quickly and it's done. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh, this is gonna be a big one. Oh, whoa, man, what are you doing, buddy? Whoa. I don't know how to drive. What is he trying to do? Drive or something? I will drive to victory. What do you mean? What? Are you just driving off? What the? He just drove off. Well, I'm not staying here. Yoo-hoo, yeah. Wait, I don't know how to stop the car. Wait, the brakes. Ugh. Did the car stop or something? I think so. Well, that's really good. I'm saved. We have to get out of here. The door's not opening. Okay. Oh. Ow. Well, better clean the car. Oh man, the poop is still on the car. Well, I know one way I can get rid of it. I really don't want to do this, but it just made it worse. Whatever, just. Well, not my problem. Plus, you can just wipe it off with a baby wipe or car or water. I'm gonna go take another poop. Ugh.